Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. As discussed currently current affairs of 30 and 31st August 2022. Stockholm World Water Week being held from 23rd August to September 1. The theme was Seeing the Unseen, the Value of Water. The World Water Week aims to draw the attention of the world to the water crisis and the sustainable use of water. It is meant to explore new ways of mitigating the challenges of the water scarcity and to tackle the water crisis and its links to the problems of health, food security, biodiversity, and the climate change. Gautam Adani becomes the world's third richest person with the net worth of USD 137.4 billion. Surpassed the Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates and Lewis Fulton co-founder Bernard Arnault. Adani has become the first Indian to achieve this distinction. The distinction of becoming the third richest person in the world comes as his overall net worth grew to USD dollars 137.4 billion. This is the first time that an Indian and an Asian have reached the top 3 spots on the Bloomerang Billionaires Index. Home Minister to launch the Central Armed Police Forces eAwas portal on 1st September 2022. The Home and the Cooperation Minister Amit Shah will launch the Central Armed Police Force eAwas portal in New Delhi on September 1, 2022. As per the Ministry of Home Affairs, increasing the housing satisfaction ratio for the CAPF's personnel is one of the priority areas of the government. The ministry also said that in order to operationalize the revised policy of the allotment and to bring transparency to the allotment process, a common web portal of CAPF eAwas has been developed. It will enable the online registration and the allotment of the residential quarters to eligible personnel of the CAPFs and the Assam Rifles. India's first vaccine against cervical cancer to be launched on September 1. The Drugs Controller of India had granted the market authorization to the Serum Institute of India to manufacture an indigenously developed vaccine against the cervical cancer. Cervical cancer in India ranks as the second most frequent cancer among women between 15 to 44 years of the age. The revolutionary step for the Indian demography will help to prevent the cases of the cervical cancer. Neeraj Chopra gives Tokyo gold medal winning javelin to the Olympic Museum. The Olympic champion of India, Neeraj Chopra, has gifted his gold medal winning javelin to the Olympic Museum in Switzerland. On 28th of August, Sunday, Neeraj contributed his javelin to the museum and hoped that its presence at the museum will inspire future generations of the athletes. All subsidized fertilizers, including urea and ammonium phosphates, that is DAP, to be sold for October under single brand name, that is Bharat. It is a part of the center's One Nation, One Fertilizer initiative. The first question for the day is, who has become the first Indian to win gold at the World Cadet Judo Championships 2022? The second question for the day is, which telecom company has announced the rollout of 5G services by Diwali in October 2022? The third question for the day is, International Day Against the Nuclear Test is observed on which of the following days? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving the correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The fourth question for the day is, as per the National Crimes Record Bureau report, which of the city has been announced as the safest city in India 21? The answers to the previous question, the first question was, the National Sports Day or the Rashtriya Khel Divas is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand. The 300-meter long Atal Bridge for pedestrians and cyclists was inaugurated in the state of Gujarat by PM Narendra Modi. Arth Ganga is the new model of sustainable development of rivers proposed by the Indian government. That's it, guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. You can download the app from the link which is given in the description box below for more such informative MCQs. We also provide classroom, live class, recorded lectures, books, ebooks, and test facilities. For that, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens. The classrooms are available at Dombivli and Ghatkopar.